just going to add a little bit into each one. And yeah. So the red one is the hot one, and the blue one is the cold one. Now, I'm going to take the dry ice and put it into the cold one first, and let's see what happens. So, I'm just going to drop a piece into the cold water. Okay, so immediately you can see that the mystery substance is like bubbling, and there's a lot more of this white gas coming out of the container. You can see some on the mystery substance that's already coming out from the plate, but there's a lot more coming out from the container. And you can see that the mystery substance is slightly moving on the bottom of the container, and there's like intense bubbling. Okay, let's try putting some into the hot water and see if there's anything different.
There we go.
Okay. So immediately I noticed that the bubbling is happening so much quicker. And obviously it's filling up faster, that's just because of the weight of the container. But I noticed that the gas is pouring out and it's falling, which probably means it's heavier than the air. To test this theory, let's try pouring it out. So if we pour it, yeah, you can see that it's just falling straight down.
Can you see it?
And it's able to pour just like a little bit. Okay, so now that we've done both of them, I want to explain what's happening here. So basically, this mystery substance, some of you may have already guessed it's dry ice. And it's not really just dry ice though. Dry ice is not actually dry ice. It's actually solid carbon dioxide. So some of you may know what carbon dioxide is, some of you may not. But carbon dioxide is just the air that we breathe out like this. It's just the air we breathe out. But the reason we see it's white here is because it's highly concentrated. And that just means there's a lot of carbon dioxide in one place, which makes it visible. And you can also see that the bubbling is happening. You can also see that the bubbling from the solid carbon dioxide just comes up and then it turns straight to a gas. This is also carbon dioxide. This is back to solid carbon dioxide. This is the gas form of carbon dioxide that we all know. And the reason it's going straight from a solid to a gas is because dry ice is actually negative 79 degrees. This means that when I place it into the water, it's such a drastic temperature difference, about 100 degrees Celsius of a difference, which is also why you can't touch the dry ice. It just completely skips the melted phase and goes straight to a gas. So that's the experiment. This process is called sublimation, which is just a gas changing into a solid changing into a gas. Now, you may wonder, if dry ice can sublimate, why can't ice sublimate? Well, technically it can, but you just have to place it at a very, very high temperature. I don't have something that high of a temperature, so I can't show you that right now, but yeah. Okay, now, does anyone want to make some bubbles? Okay, so I'm going to get, so Lachlan, you can come up. You in the black shirt over there, yeah. And Wonder Woman right here.
Stay back and then follow the instructions.
Make sure you listen.
All right.
So what we're going to do is, I'm going to take these cups off in a second. I'm just going to put a little bit of this soap into the water. You need a little bit more. That should be enough. Okay. Now, I have to get my clothes back on. We're going to add some more dry ice. So now you see that it's see. And in a few seconds, do you want to come and try actually popping them? Like with your finger? I can do it. It's not actually very dry ice, and it's not cold, so it's fine to pop. Don't come off. So some of the bubbles may just be like bubbles filled with oxygen, but some of them are filled with carbon dioxide. But some of the bigger ones.
Come to this side of the table so they can see.
So basically, these bubbles aren't normal bubbles. They're filled with the carbon dioxide that the dry ice is sublimating into, and that makes it so that it like fills up with carbon dioxide. But see right there, you just got a normal bubble that was just like a normal bubble, so it's different kind of bubbles, like a normal bubble. But then some of them are also carbon dioxide. Yeah, it's carbon dioxide. Make sure you swing back a little bit. Okay, I'll let 2 more people come up and try. You can kind of see like they like evaporate, they're not evaporate, they're like popping into the carbon dioxide. It's pretty cool.
What do you guys think? How do you think?